Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. This is Malkani. I hope you guys are doing well today. So as you would have guessed rightly, so this is the continuation of our Spanish tutorial. This is part 3. So I'm going to start off with the colors. That's exactly where we left it in the last session. So let's quickly see what are the colors, the basic colors in Spanish, and then we'll go on a small recap with the numbers and we'll take it on from there. We've done the days of the week. We've done today, tomorrow, and day after. We've done numbers 1 to 10, which I would be recapping today with you in this video. And now I'm jumping with the colors. So the first color is rojo. R-O-J-O, rojo, red. Next is naranja. N-A-R-A-N-J-A, naranja. The next color is rosa. R-O-S-A, rosa. Next color is amarillo. I've written it below in dark blue color because the yellow color was not clearly visible. Amarillo. A-M-A-R-I-L-L-O. Amarillo. Next is verde. V-E-R-D-E. Verde. Negro. N-E-G-R-O, negro. And last but not the least, blanco. B-L-A-N-C-O, blanco, which is white. So we'll quickly complete the sentence which was left incomplete in the last video, which is, hello, my name is Shalini. I am 8 years old. My favorite color is blue. So this sentence translated in Spanish would be, hola, mi nombre es Shalini. Tengo 8 años. Mi color favorito es azul. So guys, do let me know what your favorite color is. Put it down in the comment box, and I'll quickly do a number recap with you guys so that we are able to make sentences which contain number and colors, and probably in my next video I'll be talking about fruits. So let's quickly just recap on the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you'd like to check out the spellings, please click above on the video where I've shared all the spellings for these numbers, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye bye.